Fatty liver disease is a serious condition that affects millions of people around the world. It is caused by a buildup of fat in the liver, which can lead to inflammation and damage. There are two main types of fatty liver disease: alcoholic fatty liver disease and non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Alcoholic fatty liver disease is caused by drinking too much alcohol. Non-alcoholic fatty liver disease is caused by other factors such as obesity, insulin resistance, and type 2 diabetes. There is no cure for fatty liver disease, but there are things you can do to manage it and improve your liver health. Eating a healthy diet is one of the most important things you can do. Top 6 foods that can help clean your fatty liver. 1. Fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables are packed with nutrients that can help improve liver function. These nutrients include antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. Antioxidants help to protect the liver from damage, while vitamins and minerals are essential for liver function. Some of the best fruits and vegetables for fatty liver disease include berries. Berries are high in antioxidants, including anthocyanins and vitamin C. These antioxidants can help to protect the liver from damage caused by free radicals. Broccoli. Broccoli is a cruciferous vegetable that contains sulforaphane, a compound that has been shown to have protective effects against fatty liver disease. Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts are another cruciferous vegetable that is a good source of sulforaphane. Grapefruit. Grapefruit contains naringenin, a flavonoid that has been shown to reduce fat accumulation in the liver. Grapes. Grapes are a good source of resveratrol, an antioxidant that has been shown to protect the liver from damage. Kale. Kale is a leafy green vegetable that is a good source of vitamin K, which is important for liver function. Leafy green vegetables. Leafy green vegetables are a good source of folate, which is also important for liver function. Mangoes. Mangoes are a good source of vitamin A, which is important for liver detoxification. Papaya. Papaya contains enzymes that help to break down fat and reduce fat accumulation in the liver. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are a good source of lycopene, an antioxidant that has been shown to protect the liver from damage. 2. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are a good source of healthy fats, fiber, and vitamin E, all of which can help protect your liver. Healthy fats help to reduce inflammation and protect the liver from damage. Fiber helps to remove toxins from the body and prevent fat accumulation in the liver. Vitamin E is an antioxidant that helps to protect the liver from damage caused by free radicals. Some of the best nuts and seeds for fatty liver disease include almonds. Almonds are a good source of vitamin E and healthy fats. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are a good source of fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. Flax seeds. Flax seeds are a good source of fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. Walnuts. Walnuts are a good source of omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin E. 3. Coffee. Coffee has been shown to have protective effects against fatty liver disease. Coffee contains antioxidants that help to protect the liver from damage. It also contains caffeine, which may help to reduce fat accumulation in the liver. Aim to drink 3 to 4 cups of coffee per day. 4. Green tea. Green tea is another beverage that has been shown to be beneficial for liver health. It contains antioxidants that can help protect the liver from damage. Green tea also contains epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, a compound that has been shown to reduce fat accumulation in the liver. Aim to drink 2 to 3 cups of green tea per day. 5. Olive oil. Olive oil is a healthy fat that can help improve liver function. Olive oil contains oleocanthal, a compound that has been shown to have protective effects against fatty liver disease. It also contains monounsaturated fats, which are healthier than saturated fats. Aim to use 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil per day. 6. Fish. Fish is a good source of omega-3 fatty acids, which can help reduce inflammation and protect the liver. Omega-3 fatty acids also help to reduce fat accumulation in the liver. Aim to eat 2 to 3 servings of fish per week. Fatty liver disease is a serious condition, but it is one that you can manage with a healthy lifestyle. By eating a healthy diet, exercising regularly, and managing your stress, you can help improve your liver health and reduce your risk of complications. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something new about fatty liver disease and the foods that can help clean your liver. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos on healthy eating and living. I also encourage you to share this video with your friends and family so that we can all learn more about this important topic. Together, we can make a difference in our lives and the lives of others by spreading awareness about fatty liver disease and the foods that can help us prevent and manage it. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.